Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on the Crypto.com app. The Crypto.com app is a platform where you can buy, sell, and send over 250 cryptocurrencies with more than 20 fiat currencies. By the way, if you haven't signed up on Crypto.com app, check the video description for the sign up link to register and get $25 USD and CRO when you log off for a Ruby card or above. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your Crypto.com app. Here's how the updated Crypto.com app looks like. Here you will see your total balance. Below will be the buy, sell, deposit, stake, and pay buttons. Below will be the navigational tabs such as home, accounts, trade, track, and card buttons. To buy Bitcoin on the app, under the home page, tap on the buy button. Here, you can search for the crypto you want to purchase or scroll down to look for it. For this video, let's pick Bitcoin. Click this icon to swap values in BTC or fiat. Let's say I use AUD and spend $100 Australian worth of Bitcoin. Here, you select the order type, one-time buy, recurring buy, or target price. Let's pick one-time buy. Below, you can select if you want to use cash or other crypto to buy Bitcoin. You can use your fiat wallet too if you make a wire transfer to Crypto.com app. On my end, I have already set up my AUD and EUR accounts for wire transfers. You can also use your credit or debit card. Just click Add Payment Method to add your bank card, and you just click the Buy button to proceed. That's how you buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com app. If you have questions, feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.